The pager charger, from Bellman and Symfon, is an accessory that works together with the pager receiver. It charges the pager receiver with a rechargeable battery. Let's look inside the box. Here are user manuals in multiple languages. The pager charger with the power adapter, a nickel metal hydride 1.2 volt rechargeable battery, supporting legs, and screws and wall plugs. To get started, open the battery cover on the pager receiver. Place the nickel metal hydride 1.2 volt rechargeable battery in the pager receiver. Then close the battery cover. It is important to use the rechargeable battery with the pager charger instead of a regular alkaline battery. To attach the supporting legs to the pager charger, place the ends in these holes and screw them in clockwise. Plug the power adapter into an outlet. Place the pager receiver on the pager charger and it will start to charge the pager receiver. Now the pager charger is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. When the pager receiver is charging, the LED on the charger will light up in green to show the pager receiver is being charged. When it is fully charged, the charging LED will turn off. One charge can last up to 1 week. When the pager receiver is charging, you can connect the bed shaker to the pager charger's external trigger port. So when the pager receiver is triggered by a visit transmitter, the bed shaker will vibrate so you won't miss a notification. You can have up to 2 bed shakers connected to the pager charger. And that is the pager charger.